Hi, to enable developer options on your Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G, as a first step, open Settings and find About Phone tab. Now, here I want you to tap 7 times on OS version to enable developer options. Let me show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now I am a developer. So to check this, I would need to actually go back and scroll down to find additional settings. And in additional settings, I would find my developer options. So here you can change many features. For example, you can enable USB debugging. Also, you'll find here this feature, automatic system updates. So you can apply updates when device restarts. And for that, just tap on the switcher. So here you'll find many useful features which you can disable or enable. And when you're done changing developer options tab, you can disable it at all just by tapping on the switcher near developer options. And now it will disappear from additional settings and be disabled. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.